Hello everyone, I am Divya Bharati, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. We are now discuss about the subject name as International Human Resource Management from the Unit 3. So Unit 3, the subject heading is Recruitment and Selection. So recruitment and selection contains the subtopics as international manager staffing and process to staffing, role of expatriates, role of impatriate, role of non-expatriates, and recruitment and selection methods. First of all, we know about what do you mean by recruitment. Recruitment is refers to in searching. Recruitment refers in searching for and obtaining potential job candidates. So recruitment selecting the right people for the right job, taking the from one country to another country. And IHR point of view, the study two levels, micro and macro. So the recruitment sources at macro level and the micro level, so inside the organization and the external organization. So it's sometimes it will be said as international staffing. So the recruitment is explained by international staffing. So what do you mean by international staffing? Is the practice of hiring the individuals from another country to fill the open positions in the organization. So the organizations may hire international staff for a variety of reasons, including cost savings and increased productivity and ability to access increased productivity and ability to access a broader range of skills and experience. What is the role of managers in staffing? The staffing managers manage job application channels, identify new talent, and screen applicants. Screening may include skill testing, background checks, or credit checks. They interview potential candidates and hire qualified new employees. So the multinational staffing is classified into different types: ethnocentric staffing, polycentric staffing, regiocentric staffing, and geocentric staffing. So ethnocentric staffing or parent country from the parent country nation. So heterocentric approach is MNCs at their headquarters formulate mission, objective strategies, product design, etc. So the key positions in domestic and foreign operations are held by managers from headquarters. Subsidiaries are managed by staff from the home country nation. So the advantage of ethnocentric staffing is perceived lack of qualified host country nations. The need to maintain a good communication, coordination, and control links with the corporate headquarters. So the firms at the early stages of initiation and ethnocentric approach can reduce the perceived high-risk intent in these novel environments. The next one is polycentric approach. It involves the M&E treating each subsidiary as a distinct national entity with some decision-making companies. Subsidiaries are usually managed by local nationals who are seldom promoted to positions at the headquarters. So the main advantages of polycentric policy is such as home country nations employing HCNs eliminates the language barriers, avoids the adjustment problems of expatriate, and employment of HCNs allows the multinational company to take a lower profile in sensitive position, and employment of HCNs is often less expensive even if a premium is paid to attract high quality local appliance. This approach gives continuity to the management of foreign subsidiaries. So bridging the gap between HCN subsidiary managers or PCN managers at corporate headquarters is difficult. Language barriers, conflicting national loyalties. The next one is regiocentric staffing. So the regiocentric staffing approaches structure of the M&E like geocentric approach. It utilizes a wider of managers but in a limited way. Staff may move outside their home country but only within the particular geographic region. So the regional managers may not be promoted to headquarters position but enjoy a degree of regional autonomy in decision making. So the advantages of the regiocentric staffing is it facilitates interaction between managers transferred to regional headquarters from subsidiaries in that region and PCNs posted to the regional headquarters. It reflects some sensitivity to local conditions since local subsidiaries are usually staffed almost totally by HCNs. Then finally, the geocentric staffing. Geocentric staffing is a approach, is taking a global approach in its operation. So it is accompanied by a worldwide integrated business, and nationality is less important than ability. This is a major goal from the European telecommunication company Vodafone would like to achieve. So the advantages of the geocentric staffing is it enables an MNE to develop an international executive team which assists in developing a global perspective and an international labor for deployment throughout the global organization. It overcomes the federation drawback of the polycentric approach. This approach supports cooperation and resources sharing across the units. So the next one is expatriate. So expatriate means expatriates are the employees who are sent to work abroad on a long-term job assignment, such as employees who need populate a new office, or senior managers who need to manage or set up a new branch. So the employee who is working and temporarily residing in a foreign company. Some firms prefer to use the term international assigns. Expatriates are post-country nations from the parent country operations, and TCNs transfer to either HQ or another subsidiary, and HCNs transfer into the parent country. So the assignments may be parent country headquarters to subsidiary country operations, or subsidiary B. So the company sends the employees to the same company for different countries. That is the expatriate assignments. So the role of expatriates is agent of direct control, agent of socialization, network builder, language boundary spanner, language node, transfer of competence and knowledge. So the expatriates roles in interplay the headquarters and the local unit. The next one is inpatriate. So the inpatriate is the term used to refer to anyone who works outside of their country of origin in its professional context. It includes a situation where a corporation brings in foreign employees to work in the company. It means to indicate which direction the transfer is made. So the next one is non-expatriate roles. People who travel internationally yet or not considered expatriates as they do not relocate to another country. The non-expatriate or international traveler person for whom a large proportion of their role involves constant internationals to foreign markets. So subsidiary units and international project. So the inpatriates role, inpatriates include HCNs or TCNs from a foreign location to the parent country. For organizations work on a global scale, they need sufficient qualified staff to meet the requirement of the globalization. So these are all some of the roles is done in the expatriate international assignments. Thank you.